Do you need help potty training? I'm Dr. Mary Barbera. I'm a registered nurse, a behavior analyst, and I developed a step-by-step process for potty training. I mostly help kids with autism or toddlers showing signs of autism, but the same steps also work for any typically developing child. I probably wouldn't start anything with potty until the child is 18 months to 2 years, and then I would begin to pair the potty just maybe once or twice a day. Make it fun, make it a part of their routine. Then as you're meeting some of the prerequisites like hand washing with assistance, being able to pull up and down their pants, then I would maybe start a little bit more intensive potty training. I have it all outlined in a free guide at marybarbera.com/potty. Check the link in the bio. And if you have, like this commenter has a 3.5-year-old, still hasn't hit the milestones to even begin potty training, if you're in that situation, where you have a child with autism, maybe they're not speaking or not speaking well, and you have potty training problems, and you have other issues, problem behaviors perhaps, your best path is to join our online course and community where we cover potty as well. So check the link in the bio or in the comments here. I'd love to help you.